doing my full face with only powdered products. Like, welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? I hope we're all doing good. I hope we're all keeping safe. Please be sure to keep safe in these times, because man, this whole coronavirus, well, anyways, I don't even want to talk about that, but please try and be safe and take all safety precautions. And yeah, so guys, today's video I am coming to you with a challenge video. So today's video I am going to be doing it in collaboration with some of my YouTube friends here, Miela. So, and there is also HD Signatures, there is also Miss Z Pro, and then we have Mercy Izibili. So I am going to be collaborating with these YouTubers for this challenge. So as you have seen from the title, this challenge is the doing my full face with only powdered products. Like, guys, like how do you do your full face with just powdered products? But anyways, I am going to try my possible best. I have the products all here in front of me, and I am going to do my possible best. I hope I don't look like a clown after this. Oh god. Anyways guys, let's get into this tutorial. Okay guys, so for my eyebrows, I am going to be using this BH Cosmetics Studio Ultimate Brow Palette. So luckily for me, it has some powdered brow product, so I'm just going to use that to like do my brows. Since we're not going to like be using any liquid products, I have to try my possible best to make this brows look good. So wish me luck. I'm using this shade here. Okay guys, so that is my eyebrow done. It's not too bad. I don't think I did like badly like for the eyebrows. So just to give my brows a little bit of pop, I'm going to be going in with this shade just right underneath. It's like a powdered brow product, so I'm just going to be going with this one underneath my eyebrows, just to like add a little pop underneath my brows. So just to give that illusion of, okay, it's cleaned up this concealer and it's working. Yay! Okay, so my brows are done. Like, let me brush them a little bit. So just taking a spoolie, just to brush them a little bit. Okay, so brows are done. So since we can't use any liquid product, I can't prime my eyes. So I think I'm just going to use only my powder as my primer. So I'm going into my fashion fair just to kind of even out my eye area. Okay, so let's go into a little bit of eyeshadow. So today's look, I'm going to be using my Haggai and Esther Bird Neutrals palette. So I haven't used this eyeshadow palette in quite some time, so I was like, hey, why not? So this is what the palette looks like. So yeah, so there are lots of shimmery colors, so I'm just going to do a very simple look. So going in with this shade here. Okay, so once that shade is on, I'm just going to, I think I'm going to go in with this shade here.
Layered music.
And that is my eye look done. Okay, so to give my eyes the illusion of like eyeliner, I'm going to go into this black shade from my Tammy X palette. So I'm just going to just buff this black shade. Not bad, you can see the difference. Yay! Okay, not bad at all. Still taking that black, I'm just going to run it on my waterline. So to add a little pop of color to my eyes, I'm just going to go into my highlights and just add a little bit to my tear duct area. Add a little bit to my brow bone area just to give the illusion of like cleaned up brows. Alright guys, so my eyes are done. So far so good. We go manage them like that. So I am going to now do my face. Guys, I think this is the part I'm even dreading most, this face part. But anyways, we shall do what we got to do. Okay, so I'm going in with my face powder because I think this powder has a lot more coverage. So I'm just going to going to go into my powder palette, and I'm going to take this shade here.
Layered music.
Not bad. So I'm just going to go into my powder and just buff every other place. Okay, so for added coverage, I'm going to go into my MAC Mineralized Foundation Loose Powder in Dark Deep. So I'm just going to add a little more coverage to my face.
Layered music.
And here I was thinking that it would be like an epic fail. Not bad. I didn't even guess that I didn't use foundation on my face. Hey. So anyways, I'm just gonna contour. So using the shades. Okay, so contour is done. Let's just do a little nose contour. Okay, so okay, not bad. So I'm just gonna do a little highlight. Nothing too cray. All right, so let's do a little on my chin. Look. So I'm just gonna add a little blush up the cheeks. So the face is not looking bad at all. Not bad. I could actually wear this to go out. Like, it's not bad at all. What else is there? So I don't know if I can't use lashes because the lash glue is liquid, so I cannot use lashes because unless you have like magnetic lashes, but I don't have magnetic lashes, so I cannot use my lashes because lash glue is liquid. So that is out of the picture. So for lips, I can't use lipstick because it is a liquid product, or it's a cream or liquid product. So I think I'm just going to use my highlight as my lipstick. So I just hope this looks nice. Okay, not bad. So I'm going to take the black eyeshadow from this Tammy X palette, and I'm going to use that to kind of like line my lips.
Yeah, Layered music, music, music.
So guys, this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Like, it's not bad. It is not bad at all. Like, I'm feeling it. Like, it's a very simple look that you can actually, like, you know, can use, go to the store or whatever, and nobody would actually know that, like, there is no foundation, there is no primer, nothing. Like, this is all powder, like, and the coverage is actually not bad. Hey. So guys, this is my entire look, my full face using only powdered products. How did I do, guys? Like, did I do good? It's a look you would rock to, like, I don't know, to buy something down the street or something. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this entire face of makeup, or full face of powdered products. So yeah, please do check out the other ladies' channels. I'm gonna put their links in the description bar, so check out their channels and see what they did, if they, you know, smashed this challenge. But I think I didn't do too bad with this challenge. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. I would truly and greatly appreciate it. It's the red button right down here, so please indulge me and subscribe. And yeah, if you also have any video ideas you'd like me to do, please drop them in the comment section, and I will be sure to try and film it for you guys. So guys, this is my full face using powder products, and yeah, I will be sure to see you guys